You also want to stay within about a 3-month window of when it was last sold. With the market changing so quickly right now, today, we want to try and find comparables within 3 months. Now, let's say you're in an area, let's start back with that radius, that you can't find any comparables within a 1-mile radius, then you start to go out. If you can't find anything within that 1,500, 1,600, 1,400 square footage, then you go out a little bit. And then the one level, you're going to want to try and stay as close as you can to the type of build, because that's going to depict what you're going to be selling it for later on as well. So you try and stay in as close as you can. If you can't find comparables in the last 3 months, again, go out a little bit in terms of time, maybe 6 months. But those are the primary criteria. Try and stay within the mile radius. Try to stay within the last 3 months of a sale. Within your neighborhood's ideal, the same level of the type of house that we're looking at. Maybe it's a condo, maybe it's a townhome, maybe it's a manufactured home. You want to make sure it's the same type of home that you're looking at to compare.